No way. What up, though, guys? So, yo, I ain't had an Android phone in over 17 years. But listen, my sister damn near sold me on the phone on her S26 and her Z Flip 7. And then another beautician came up and she was like, she popped up with this Fold 8. And I'm just like, yo, what is that? That's a nice little whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? Not knowing that the phone had literally just dropped. So I'm up here looking at it, and all it took was 30 minutes of research, and I was like, this is mine. So y'all, here we go with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8. Not the Ultra. I ain't want no bar phone. I just didn't. It was this form factor that sold me, because the S26 Ultra, I was loving it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really love the camera. I love what it provides. And I was just like, you know, yeah, for the camera, it's worth it. But it's this form factor that got it. That's what sold it. Because I could have went Fold 8 Ultra. I ain't want that. I wanted this baby right here. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. Look at it. Look at it. And no, I don't care nothing about the iPhone flip about to be coming out. I don't care nothing about that. I'm tired of the iOS, okay? I still have my iPhone. I'll probably always have my iPhone, but I had to put something in my rotation that was going to be like something new, something fresh. This not the same thing. You feel me? Just not the same thing. So I went ahead and went with the 512 gigabytes. I felt like that was kind of all I would need. I don't know, but because I take hella pictures, so I don't know, y'all. I'm geek. Like, I can't even think. Like, it's in my hand, y'all. I ain't been this geeked about a piece of technology in so long. Like, wow, this is really mine and I really own it. And look how that shit is so thin. Like, I really wish I was recording this on my DJI, but you know I gotta give it to y'all. Give it up to y'all in the car. So, without further ado, I'm gonna take that first pill off. Oh my God, bro. Man. How do I even cut this thing on? Here we go. Samsung Galaxy. Secured by Knox. What's Knox? Who is Knox? I gotta figure this out. Powered by Android. Man, I ain't seen Powered by Android in almost 20 years, y'all. This is beautiful. This is real life, like having a tablet in your hand. Oh, it's time for the first fold. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first fold. Oh, man. Oh, look. Oh, dog. Oh, my God. Oh, man. This is nice. I love how this feels in the hand. You know, we're switching from the iPhone, so gotta go ahead and get this thing set up. I'm about to be going crazy. I got a feeling that I'm about to be back making content again and all of those good things, because, man, it's just so much stuff that I want to cover on this phone. And I already know, like, even though this camera, they talk about, oh, it doesn't have a telephoto lens, oh, it doesn't have the what is this thing called, the fold, this thing where it stays, that technology, because they changed the hinge apparently from the Fold 7 and prior generations. Because I had got so geeked about the phone that I forgot about anything else that could possibly come in the phone, right? So let me show y'all what else comes in the box. Man, I'm so geeked. I'm tripping. We got, oh man, they gave us a charging cable, USB to USB-C to be specific, but I feel like y'all should know that already. And a SIM card remover, which I have not seen one of those. And honestly, y'all tell me, when is the last time y'all seen one of those? This is gonna be everything I needed to be and more. So everybody be prepared. Make sure you give me a follow and stay tuned for more. Peace.